Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. So under this chemical reactions of alkenes, now the continuation, the oxidation reaction. Oxidation reactions can be carried out in the case of alkenes by two different conditions. First of all, we are using alkaline potassium permanganate as the oxidizing agent. Suppose we are using alkaline potassium permanganate. Alkaline potassium permanganate is called Bayes reagent. Cold alkaline potassium permanganate OH KMnO4. So this reaction may leads to the formation of diols. Ethylene, we are taking ethylene, reacts with water. It is written like oxidation. Alkaline potassium permanganate. It provides two OH groups. Provides two OH groups, OH plus and OH minus. So it provides CH2OH, CH2OH, ethylene glycol as the product. Ethylene glycol is otherwise known as ethane 1,2-diol. Ethane 1,2-diol. Ethane 1,2-diol is the product. Okay. Suppose we are taking propylene. Propylene reacts with the Bayes reagent, gives CH3, CHOH, CH2OH. This is propylene glycol or propane 1,2-diol as the product. Propane 1,2-diol as the product. So normal oxidation. Acidic potassium permanganate or acidic potassium dichromate, and this oxidation reaction can take place. It gives ketone or carboxylic acid as the product. Ketone or carboxylic acid as the product. Suppose we are taking 2-methylpropene. 2-methylpropene on oxidation with acidic potassium permanganate or acidic potassium dichromate, it gives propanone as the product. Listen, 2-methylpropene. This is 2-methylpropene, isobutylene. 2-methylpropene reacts with alkaline acidic KMnO4 or acidic potassium dichromate. It gives propanone or acetone as the product. Acetone as the product. And 2-butene, symmetrical butene. This butene on 2-butene, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Oxidation with acidified potassium dichromate, it gives this compound split like this, two molecules of acetic acid, ethanoic acid is obtained. Two molecules of ethanoic acid is obtained. Then the reaction is ozonolysis. Ozonolysis is a very, very important reaction in the examination point of view as well as in the entrance examinations. So, ozonolysis, reaction with ozone. Simply I explained. Ethylene reacts with ozone. Ethylene reacts with ozone. First step, it gives ozonide. How the ozonide is formed? The bond may break. CH2, CH2, O. This is ozonide. Once this ozonide is formed, it reacts with zinc and hydrochloric acid or zinc and acetic acid for the production of hydrogen. Hydrogen added here. So what's the product formed? CH2O. CH2O. Two molecules of HCHO. Two molecules of formaldehyde is obtained. Symmetrical olefin on ozonolysis gives same kind of aldehydes or ketones. So the next add another one member, CH3, CH double bond, CH2, ozone. The simple way you are Know the product. Here on oxygen, here on oxygen. What's the product form? CH3, CH. So, acetaldehyde, that is ethanol. This is methanol. Acetaldehyde and formaldehyde is obtained. CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3. This is 2-butene, symmetrical olefin. Here also it gives here on oxygen, here on oxygen. What's the product form? 2 molecules of ethanol. 2 molecules of ethanol or acetaldehyde is obtained. If you want to prepare ketones, CH3, CH3, double bond, CH3, CH3, 2,3 dimethyl, 2,3 dimethyl, 2-butene, 2,3 dimethyl, 2-butene on ozonolysis gives. So, what happens? Here on oxygen, here on oxygen. So, CH3CO, CH3, CH3CO, CH3, 2 molecules of acetone as the product. So, any kind of alkenes are given, it undergo ozonolysis means you look at the question and write down the answer. So, the split may occurs in between the carbon-carbon double bond. In between carbon-carbon double bond, the ozonide is formed. Ozonide undergo reaction with the zinc and acetic acid. It provides cleavage of ozonides leads to corresponding carbonyl compounds, either aldehydes or ketones. Last is polymerization reaction. So, what is polymerization? The large number of monomers, n number of monomers combines together or binds together or united together or linked together to form a giant molecule with high molecular weight are called polymer. The process is called polymerization. The single component is called monomer. Large number of components are called polymer. Polymer compounds, polymerization process. Ethylene, we are taking n number of ethylene reacts with the peroxides or heated at a particular temperature or catalyst, it gives polyethylene as the product. Polyethylene as the product. Here n number of ethylene, n number of monomers reacts under pressure and temperature or in the presence of catalyst. Monomers linked together, the bond only break. It is elongate like this, CH2, CH2 n times. The chain will continue. The 3 important steps involving the polymerization process: chain initiation process, chain propagation process, chain termination process. Chain initiation, propagation and termination. Initiators are added to start the reaction. The step will continue or the propagation step is continually takes place. Suppose we want to finish the chemical reaction, we are adding certain terminators or inhibitors to the particular process. The chain termination occurs, the final product will obtain. Suppose we are taking propylene, you are getting polypropylene. Vinyl chloride, we are taking vinyl chloride, polymerized to give polyvinyl chloride, PVC. So, the polymers are used for the manufacture of plastic bags and refrigerators, toys, pipes, etc. The polythene and polypropylene is a matter of great concern for all of us. Okay. So, these are the chemical reactions of alkenes. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.